Okay, we're here on the About Us page that we made, and we want to do some more formatting here and get it looking just the way we want it, and then use it to uh, continue formatting the home page. So we're just going to come back in here and look at what we've got and continue doing some formatting. And I'm formatting this text by changing the heading tag up here in the format box. It's kind of like the font box in your word processor. You just change that around and get it looking just the way you want it. And we've still got this contact form to deal with, and I'm going to be using a plug-in to add a contact form, but right now I just want to save a draft of the page and continue formatting it and getting it looking the way that I want it, and then we'll come back and we'll deal with that contact form. Right now I want to add an image to the page to give it some visual diversity so that it's not just text on the page. And with the media box, you can just click there, add image, and just drop the image right in the box, or you can click the select file and go in on your hard drive and find it. So I just drug an image over there and dropped it in, and it has uploaded it to WordPress. I don't want it to be a linkable image, so I'm going to take the link out of there. I want to right-hand align it on the page and make it about medium size. So once I get those settings done, take the link out, align it to the right, set it to medium. I could go up there and put a title in it if I wanted to. I'm just going to click Insert into Post, and it's gonna put it right in there, and I can see it in the visual preview there. I don't want to go and use the preview button to preview the page and see how it looks, and it looks pretty good. The image looks good, and I'm just using some royalty-free stock photos to liven up the pages a little bit with some graphics. So the page is starting to come together and is looking pretty good. You want to check your page settings and make sure you have the settings for the page right, the template and other things. There's a featured image setting there to add an image to the preview of the page. And just go through and check the settings. I think I want to tamper with the layout a little bit and see how it looks in different layouts. So I'm going to make it a full page layout without a sidebar and see how that looks. And that looks pretty good. I like that full page layout for the About Us page. And just, you want to come through here periodically and just check and make sure your settings are all like you want them. And then we're just going to publish the page. Once you publish the page, it's going to be live online, so people can go to it and see it. And we'll just view the page there. And that's how the page looks live online. Of course, we're not finished setting up the website yet. So I'm just going to go to the Widgets page. And you remember when we were setting up the home page that the home page is formatted using widget areas. So we're going to use this Genesis featured page widget, which is it comes with the Genesis framework and StudioPress themes. We're going to use this Genesis featured page widget to continue formatting the home page and connect the About Us page to the home page. So I want to include the featured image, which is the image that I just added to the About Us page. I want the image alignment to be left-hand alignment. And instead of showing the page title, I'm going to give the widget a title, because the page title is just About Us. So I'm going to give the widget a title and call it About the Jerseyville Church of Christ. Then I'm going to show page content, and I'm going to limit the content to 300 characters. And that'll give me a nice snippet of what's there on the page. The more text is what the person would click to go and see the page. So we'll go back and we'll preview the home page and see how that looks. And you can see there, we got the top part of the home page formatted in the previous steps. Now we're coming back, and as we add pages to our website, we're going to connect them to the home page by using those Home Middle Widget areas. So see, we've put the About Us page in the Home Middle number 1 widget area. And as we add pages, we're going to come back and we're going to fill in that Home Widget number 2 area and Home Widget number 3 area. And when the person clicks on the Learn More link, they'll go to the About Us page. And so we're creating pages and using those pages to continue formatting the home page. And there's an edit link here to go back and just continue editing this About Us page. And instead of putting the form on this page, I think I'm going to put a link to another page, a contact page, and put a contact form on a separate page. So now instead of saying use the form below, it says click here to contact us. And that's where we'll come back next time and finish that up.